This is my channel Shy'sDesigns and I'm Shyanne. I started this business because I wanted to stay home with my babies and make money while doing that. I'm here to breathe life back into furniture and make beautiful pieces affordable again. Let's get started. Do-it-yourself free plastic patio furniture makeover. Cheap and easy furniture flip. To open up this video, we have 3 free patio chairs here. I salvaged these guys from the side of the road, ready to be picked up for trash day. I'm so excited to get started on this one because I will be staging them for my own home. I'm so excited. Let's see how it went. First, I gave all of them a good cleaning with some crud cutter and a microfiber towel just to prepare the surface for the spray paint. I did end up taking them to my backyard to rinse them off just to make sure I didn't have any more residue. This was an extra precaution since I've never flipped plastic furniture before. Next, I used this Gorilla Plastic epoxy to repair the baby chair because it was the only one that had major cracks in it. This required quick application. First, I had to snap the top off while the syringes were upside down. I had to expel all of the air inside of them. And then I had to evenly press both syringes at the exact same time to get the epoxy mixture out. Then I had to stir them for a maximum amount of 20 seconds and then immediately apply. You have to do this quickly because the longer you take to apply, the less effective the product is. I ended up taping off one of the spots that had the most damage to make sure the hole would get covered. The directions said that it takes 30 minutes to set and then another 24 hours to cure and bear weight. After using the epoxy, I set that chair aside and I got to work on the other 2 free patio furniture chairs. I wanted to get an even layer with no drippage, but I also wanted to apply pretty close to the chair to make sure I used as much of the paint on this free patio chair furniture as possible. I first applied this all-in-one indoor-outdoor black spray paint to the chair, and then I flipped each side over and applied underneath. On my patio, you will be able to see both sides, obviously, so I wanted to make sure that both sides were covered evenly. Then, after the 30 minutes to set, I brought the baby chair over and I sprayed it on the front and back as well. I then let all of them cure and dry overnight, and then I put them to the test the next day outside of my home with my baby. I wanted to make sure this chair was going to hold up for regular use, obviously, because my baby loves this chair and she will be using it quite often. You like it? What's baby weight? She's like 30 pounds. Are you kidding me? She's like, look at it. So cute. Bye. I love you, baby. Pedro? I am in love with how these turned out. The spray paint dried smoothly and I'm very impressed with the look. The kids' chair is way stronger than it started with and my baby enjoys it so much. She really enjoys having a seat of her own and I have the peace of mind that it's going to hold up. I'm so excited to enjoy some extra time outside in these nice flipped furniture patio chairs. Being able to have all 3 of these chairs for me and my family for our outside time at a low cost of $12 is a steal. Patio furniture nowadays is so expensive, and with our second baby on the way, we don't have a dollar to waste. I hope you guys like them as much as I do. Thank you so much for spending this time with me and coming on yet another adventure. I have been looking forward to updating a few more spots in my house, and I'm so glad that I got to do this one with you guys. If you enjoyed this or happen to learn something, leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. I post every Sunday at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. See you then.